How do I install Division offline?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our today's tutorial on how to install Division offline. This video is aimed at helping you go through the installation process in an easy and stress-free manner.
What is Division and why install it offline?
Division is an amazing game loved by many. However, sometimes you might not have an active internet connection, or maybe you just prefer installing games offline. Well, this is entirely possible with Division. Installing Division offline lets you have the game ready for action anytime, whether you have internet access or not.
What do you need for the installation?
Before we begin, you need to make sure that you have the physical copy of the Division game. The physical copy of the game includes a DVD that we'll use for the installation. You'll also need a computer with a DVD reader. Let's start the process.
How to install Division offline?
1. Insert the DVD into your computer's DVD reader. Wait for your computer to recognize the disc. 2. A pop-up window should appear with the game's icon. Click on it. 3. An installation window will pop up. Follow the instructions provided, typically involving selecting your language of choice and accepting the terms and conditions. 4. Choose the directory where you want the game to be installed. This is the folder where all game files will be stored. 5. Click Install to start the installation process. This might take some time depending on your computer's speed. Please note that some games may require an activation key to install, which will be provided with your physical copy. Make sure to input the activation key when prompted.
What to do after the installation?
Once the installation process is complete, you can launch the game from the directory you chose during installation or through any shortcuts created on your desktop or start menu. There you have it, folks. This is how you install Division offline. We hope that this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Now, you can enjoy the game whenever you want, without the need for an internet connection. Happy gaming!